Welcome to MetaInf Tutorials. In the first video, we covered how you can email an issue from Jira. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the Emails tab of your Jira issues. The emails you send this way will appear in the Email tab at the bottom of the Issues page. Click the expand icon to see the sender, recipient, and all the email details. Ask your Jira admin to set up your support email account and email this issue to send and receive emails. When it's set up, if your customer replies, that email will also appear here. Any Jira user who can access this issue can follow up related emails and email this issue using the Email button. The first column of this Emails tab is the Jira user who created, modified, or emailed this issue. When someone without a Jira account sends an email to this issue, the default reporter will appear here. That's how you can follow up emails directly from Jira. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.